Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a great holiday weekend despite the colder than normal temperatures. It's a shame we can't extend the holiday weekend by one more day because today looking like a good indoor day because it's going to be cold, it's going to be windy, and there's going to be off and on rain and snow. So let's start 8 a.m. this morning, and we're talking about, notice not everywhere, there are some gaps, but snow, mostly snow this morning. Temperature's cold enough, and I think most of the activity coming back is snow, though throughout the day we are talking about the possibility of a rain-snow mix. Just in general, more likely to be snow in the morning, more likely to be rain in the afternoon. So this is 8 a.m., the possibility for some activity for that morning commute. And then we jump ahead to lunchtime, and guess what? The chance is still there. It looks like around lunchtime, the peak of the activity will be in the eastern part of the state. It looks like some enhancement of the rain and snow activity for the eastern part of the state, trying to dry out in the western part of the state, but short-lived, because look what happens as we get into 2 o'clock in the afternoon. From 11 to 2, notice how it starts to fill back in the west for places like Winona and la-crosse, and notice blue and purple and green showing up, a true rain-snow mix. I will say, getting more and more likely in the afternoon that it will be coming down as rain. But even in the early afternoon, yeah, there still could be some flakes of snow flying around. And guess what? Yeah, for the homebound commute as well, rain-snow mix. Notice how now the model's starting to show a little bit more green than blue as we start to get to our warmest temperatures of the day, which aren't going to be warm temperatures, but warmest temperatures. Even into the early evening hours, notice how things are dying down as we get into the evening, but still got to leave in the chance for some isolated rain and snow showers. I do think that we will dry out overnight, and tomorrow is looking like a dry day across the state. Notice 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, unlike today, some clouds around, no rain or snow to be found, and that will continue throughout the day. So the homebound commute looking good as well tomorrow. Notice some rain off to the west, so I do think a rain chance will return for us Tuesday night. But during the day tomorrow, yes, it's going to be dry. Look at these temperatures, though. Now we're going to be about 20 degrees below normal this afternoon, only topping out low 40s, upper 30s, and it's not going to feel this warm. Because the other big story today, a very windy day. No matter where you are in the state, we're talking about wind gusts around 40 miles per hour. So absolutely a wind chill factor. So even if you reach the low 40s, it's only going to feel like the mid 30s out there this afternoon with those rain and snow showers around as well. Tonight, going to be a cold one because not only are temperatures below normal in the low 30s to have a mid 20s up around Chippewa-Falls, 29 for our low in la-crosse. Staying pretty breezy tonight. I mean, the winds will come down. We're not going to see those gusts around 40 miles per hour anymore once the sun goes down, but it's going to stay breezy for much of the night with those gusts 20, 25 miles per hour, so wind chill factor even late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow, some improvement. We're not back to normal yet, unfortunately, but how about some temperatures that are about 10 degrees warmer almost in spots for tomorrow afternoon versus this afternoon, topping out in the upper 40s, probably most spots, some reaching the low 50s. Still got to mention that it's going to be breezy, probably around Racine, Kenosha, and even maybe the Madison area, but if you're over around Winona, la-crosse, Chippewa-Falls, doesn't look like there's going to be much wind. And if you're wondering when we might see some normal temperatures or some above normal temperatures, that's going to be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. In fact, by Saturday, we might be talking about temperatures reaching the low 70s in spots.